Welcome to 3D Peak Tech, where precision engineering meets artificial intelligence.
In this demonstration, you're watching a complete digital machining workflow created in Autodesk Fusion 360. This process represents how our team integrates CAD and CAM expertise to transform a complex mechanical concept into a fully optimized CNC manufacturing sequence. At 3D Peak Tech, we specialize in advanced modeling, toolpath generation, and simulation for aerospace, automotive, and industrial applications. Our goal is simple: to connect design, data, and machining intelligence into one unified digital ecosystem. We begin by defining the setup configuration, the foundation of every machining project. Here, the stock material is positioned in reference to the work coordinate system. We carefully define the origin point, tool orientation, and machine zero to ensure maximum accuracy. This alignment guarantees that what happens in the digital environment will be perfectly replicated on the CNC machine. Precision at this stage eliminates costly errors downstream. The first visible operation is facing, using a flat-end mill to remove surface material and create a clean reference plane. Next, adaptive clearing strategies are applied to remove bulk material quickly and efficiently. These operations use dynamic tool engagement, constant chip load, and optimized stepovers to extend tool life and reduce cycle time. You can see how the cutter follows smooth, intelligent paths, a hallmark of modern high-efficiency machining. Our CAM specialists program every feed rate, spindle speed, and tool motion to ensure stability and thermal control during cutting. Now the process moves into grooving operations, defining functional features such as retaining channels, O-ring seats, or component interfaces. Each groove is created with specific tooling parameters, maintaining dimensional tolerances often below 1/10 of a millimeter. By combining simulation and material science data, we predict tool wear and optimize every pass for the exact alloy being machined. This level of control transforms conventional machining into a smart manufacturing process, where every cut is guided by data, not guesswork. The next phase is drilling, a crucial operation for assemblies that depend on precise hole placement. Our system defines tool depth, retract height, and coolant activation dynamically. Each hole position is validated within the 3D model, ensuring perfect concentricity and repeatability. Whether for radial holes, cooling channels, or fastener threads, these cycles are optimized for chip evacuation and thermal stability. At 3D Peak Tech, we simulate every hole in virtual space before a single tool touches metal. With roughing and drilling complete, we transition into profiling and finishing operations. This stage focuses on perfecting the part's outer and inner contours. The simulation shows the cutter tracing precise paths that define the component's final geometry, with surface finishes reaching aerospace-grade quality. Every finishing pass is programmed to achieve micron-level precision, ensuring compatibility with downstream assemblies or mechanical tests. At 3D Peak Tech, accuracy isn't optional. It's engineered into every motion. Fusion 360's toolpath simulation allows us to visualize and verify each operation before machining begins. Here, we analyze potential collisions, gouges, or overcuts, and confirm safe retract movements. The color-coded material removal gives a real-time view of how the part evolves layer by layer. This predictive analysis reduces machine downtime and guarantees that the physical machining process is both safe and efficient. Every verified operation here translates directly into production confidence. The entire workflow you're seeing is part of our digital twin ecosystem. Each virtual machining sequence mirrors a real machine on the production floor. Same spindle parameters, same tool library, same fixture setup. This connection between virtual and physical manufacturing allows us to perform predictive maintenance, cycle time optimization, and process traceability. 3D Peak Tech connects CAM data to factory systems such as SAP, MES, or AI-based monitoring dashboards. This is how we bring the concept of Industry 11.0 to life, where intelligent machines and data-driven decisions work in perfect harmony. Beyond simulation, our team develops custom machining automation, from robotic loading systems to AI-powered tool condition monitoring. We use technologies like LiDAR scanning, digital inspection, and 3D metrology to validate every produced part. By closing the loop between design, simulation, and physical output, we ensure that each component meets its digital intent. Our engineers specialize in multi-axis programming, generative design, and additive hybrid workflows, blending traditional machining with next-generation manufacturing. What you've seen here is more than just a simulation. It's a demonstration of engineering precision, digital intelligence, and innovation. At 3D Peak Tech, we believe the future of manufacturing lies in smart integration, uniting design, simulation, and production into a single digital thread. From the first CAD sketch to the final CNC operation, every step is guided by data, simulation, and human expertise. We help companies accelerate product development, enhance quality, and achieve sustainable efficiency in every process.
3D Peak Tech, transforming engineering data into intelligent, manufacturable reality. In this simulation, you're watching a fully digital machining process created in Fusion 360, representing how we transform complex CAD models into optimized CNC toolpaths. We begin with the setup, defining stock, orientation, and fixtures to guarantee perfect alignment between digital and physical machining. Next, roughing and adaptive toolpaths remove material efficiently while maintaining tool stability and extending cutter life. Drilling and profiling operations follow, delivering precise holes and high-quality surface finishes that meet aerospace-level standards. Every path you see has been verified through simulation and collision analysis, ensuring total machining safety and process accuracy. At 3D Peak Tech, we integrate CAD, CAM, AI, and automation, building a complete digital twin of every part before production even starts. Our mission: to help industries move faster, smarter, and with unmatched precision. 3D Peak Tech, transforming data into intelligent, manufacturable reality.